Sturge. The next time I see you after you pull that little stunt of yours, I'll be sure to butcher your face and carve it clean off. Vex. It's from the dark forest of Omen. Onwards! Interesting. Note says to the dark forest of Omen, north of this place. So I'll march. Oh, there once was a rider named Ragnar the Red who came riding from Right Road to Old Rorikstead. Staggered and swaggered and banished his blade as he met the shield maiden. Oh, you talk and you lie and you drink all your mead. Now I think it's high time. Oh, what's this? What is this good? Fucking offerings? I love offerings and free things. Woo.
One.
Actually, you know what? You're just dead weight. Yes, yes. Ooh, what's this? Whoa, enough. I'll take this too. Oh my God. Alaska. What lies in Alaska that we must Tana? Oh my God. The ancient treasure lies in Tana. There is bounty there. That's what this man is going, however he died here. He was going to fucking Alaska. Going to a town called Tana. There's treasure here. And there's fucking... There. Oh my wow. Marched for hours and hours. And the bugs are eating me. I am not a fucking charity. Stop stealing my blood. It's bad and tainted. You don't want it. The book of history of Jesus Christ, son of David, of Abraham. Abraham became father to Isaac. Isaac became father to Jacob. And Jacob became father to Judah. And his brothers, Judas, became the father. The princesses of the... Good night. Fucking hunger's a bitch. I had the most amazing dream. Oh, fucking. You see this? This is my most precious book. This is the Bible of a fucking. I had a fucking cool ass dream of fucking. I got all this shit. And fucking. This is a dictionary. What the fuck? Where's my Bible? Fucking. I'm so fucking gangster, you know. Trust me. Shut the fuck up. I'm gangster.
Hey, father dropped me in fucking boarding school. I'm in the Christian Service Brigade, something like that, as a POW. Help! By boarding school, he boarded the door. Oh no!